Rebecca here. I help you manifest an incredible partner. I've helped thousands of women date smart and meet the love of their life and start a beautiful family or start a journey with them based on what their vision is, what their needs are, what their deal breakers are, and what they want to create in the world. So one thing that I see stop so many incredible women is this conditioning that they need to be fully healed or perfect before they can attract in true love. That idea is coming from this limiting belief that love is a reward. Love is not a reward. Love is availability. So I'm fixing this. Okay, there we go. Your ability to be raw, to be real, and to own all of you is what opens you up to love and is also what your man falls in love with. One of my students in working together recently, she had all these fears around like, he's not gonna love this about me. After she took the date smart steps, she met an incredible man. And this is what she said to me. She said, Rebecca, the one thing that I was so afraid would make me unlovable was the one thing that he fell in love with. Now, of course, he's in love with other things as well, but how powerful is that? I want that to really stick with you because there is no finish line. There is no being fully healed. There is no being perfect. For as long as we are human on this journey, we can always do better. We're always going to be refining, like developing characteristics in ourselves. To say that you have to be XYZ before you let a man in is actually just a protective mechanism that's holding you back from being open and available. A quality man is going to love all of you. He's going to understand that you have fears, that you maybe have insecurities, that sometimes you don't feel enough. Like a quality man is going to love you for all of you. And that can only happen when you show up for that possibility. And if in the past you showed up for that and you weren't met, you are most likely dating and choosing boys who then ran. So don't let that be the deciding factor. Stay open and available. And if you need support on staying open and available, knowing how to spot a high quality man, knowing how to date smart and not waste your time, I highly recommend that you jump inside my Black Friday bundle special. There are 3 crazy good offers that you get inside of this one bundle. Number 1, you get my Manifest Your Evolved Man digital course. Number 2, you get my Date Smart kit. And number 3, you get a 45-minute private session with me. That is available to the first 10 buyers only. For all of this, you get it at a crazy good price. So you can click the link below and don't underestimate the power of one brave action choice. I can't tell you how often women will just jump into a program or a course of mine, and then because they said yes, all of a sudden things start rearranging and shifting in their life. So if you are listening to this and you're truly ready to meet an incredible love, to not settle, I am cheering you on to jump inside, and I look forward to a private session with you. And I hope you have the most amazing day.